National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County, northeastern Jersey County, southwestern Macoupin County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kemper, or 14 miles northeast of Jerseyville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impact... Sighting, entries. Locations impacted include Rockbridge, Kemper, Fidelity, Mudwara, Chesterfield, Shipman, Plainview, and Royal Lakes. This includes the following state parks: Beaver Dam State Park,